lots of it. There has been an incident this morning that we've just got in. A little kid fell down the stairs. He got a boo-boo. He got a cut on his right arm. It's so sad. Not. So there's a new channel coming to you guys in YouTube land. It's called Olivia! It's actually called Olivia! It definitely involves humor. It involves some embarrassment. It involves humor. It really does. I like watermelon. So juicy. And yummy. Let's now count down to the official moment of when truly Olivia becomes a YouTuber. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy Olivia! Okay, let's take our first drink of root beer. I mean, the first time that Olivia is on the real show. Someone take this away. Let's get back to the news. As you can see, we have balloons. I like watermelon. See, here's some watermelon. See, here's some more watermelon. Getting pretty annoyed. I still got the taste of fruit juice in my mouth. Yeah. I'm gonna go. I gotta get all this anger out. Oh, wait! I just gotta do it reported. Oh, if you watch this, you might receive this complimentary thing and this complimentary thing under your Christmas tree. I know, it's amazing. Sure to subscribe and make lots of videos and tell everybody that you know. Tune in next time. But wait, you have to tune in. Thank you. Olivia News.